Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and today we're going to look at 46 Scott Street, Unit 3N. This is a third floor unit with 2 bedrooms, equipped with a space heater, back entrance in this room. This is the first bedroom. Here's the kitchen area. Stainless steel sink. Got the stove and fridge here. Right here we have the second bedroom. Over here we have the bathroom, full-size tub. This unit is part of Nexus Property Management, where you can pay rent online, 24-hour service hotline. You make maintenance requests off our website or on our office phone line. Again, this is 46 Scott Street, Unit 3N in New Bedford.